Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing channel. Meta recently introduced several new models targeting different applications. This announcement came on a Friday afternoon through a blog post highlighting new research, models and data sets from Meta's research lab, FAIR. FAIR focuses on advancing machine intelligence (AI), which differs slightly from other labs aiming for artificial general intelligence (AGI). However, the distinction seems more about approach and focus. One of the key releases is the Meta-Spirit LM, a speech-to-speech system. I'll cover it in more detail later, but first, let's talk about SAM 2.1, the Segment Anything model. This is not a completely new model, but an upgraded version of their earlier segmentation tool. The original SAM focused on dividing images into different objects, while SAM 2 extended this capability to videos, tracking objects across frames. SAM 2.1 improves on SAM 2 with better performance. It's exciting that Meta is not only pushing advanced segmentation models but also open sourcing them. Another important release is the Meta-Spirit LM, which integrates speech and text seamlessly, offering open source access for developers and researchers. The new system, Meta-Spirit LM, can handle both speech and text as input and generate both as output. This is a significant improvement because unlike typical systems like Whisper that convert speech to text, it retains the expressiveness of speech. Similarly, many text-to-speech outputs tend to sound robotic, losing emotional tone. Meta-Spirit LM, like GPT-4, processes speech directly and generates expressive speech as output. The system works by using an encoder in front of the language model LLM. For example, it can take inputs like "once upon a time, there was a cat named Peter," or "I feel excited about my trip to Paris," and produce both text and expressive speech.
A cute, clever cat. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful cat named Peter. His mother taught him how to climb a tree.
I feel very excited about the upcoming trip to Paris.
I've never been before. Our friends are out to stay for 2 weeks, and I want to see as much as possible.
Although the current speech output quality isn't perfect, this model is relatively small at 7 billion parameters. Meta expects better results with larger models in the future. Technically, the system includes 2 versions. 1. U-Spirit LM Base. 2. U-Spirit LM Expressive. Since it processes both text and speech, it relies on 3 tokenizers. 1. For speech input. 2. For pitch. 3. For style recognition. The encoded data is fed into the LLM, which in this case is based on LLaMA 27 billion parameters. Although newer models could have been used, the system still integrates speech and text effectively. Special tokens are also added to capture the style and pitch of the input and ensure the generated output reflects the same expressiveness. It's important to note that this system is released under a non-commercial research license, meaning it's available for research purposes but not for commercial use. To access this model, users need to accept the terms and conditions and apply for access to the weights. Beyond Spirit LM, Meta released additional technical models, each offering improvements in training efficiency, speed, and performance. Let's go over some key ones. Layer skip architecture. This research focuses on accelerating the inference speed of large language models. It suggests using only a subset of the LLM layers to generate responses, while the remaining layers are used for verification and correction. Meta has fine-tuned this approach on models like LLaMA 2, LLaMA 3, and Code LLaMA, showing a performance boost of up to 1.7x. The weights and a technical report on this architecture are available for further exploration. SALSA post-quantum cryptography security validation. This project addresses improving security against AI-based attacks, specifically focusing on post-quantum cryptography standards. It's a step toward making systems more resilient in a future with both quantum computing and advanced AI threats. Metal-Lingua. This is Meta's new lightweight training framework designed to scale LLM training efficiently. It provides a streamlined, self-contained codebase built using PyTorch components to boost performance with lower computational costs. Metal-Lingua shows promising improvements in training speed without needing excessive hardware resources. These developments demonstrate Meta's commitment not only to model performance but also to open-source collaboration. Meta's focus on open collaboration makes these resources more accessible to the broader community. I'll soon create a video demonstrating Meta Spirit LM once I have it up and running. If you're interested, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.